Welcome to Ivy Lab's Summer Internship Program 2026. Our objective with the Micromouse project was to design a robot that autonomously navigates a grid maze by finding the shortest path from the start cell to the goal cell. We collaborated on the project in two phases, software and hardware. We began by exploring various searching algorithms such as breadth first search, depth first search, wall follower, and Floodfill. In our final code, we implemented Floodfill, in which the robot systematically explores the maze, marking visited cells and making a note of the obstacles. It consequently updates what we call the flood map, which assigns values to each cell based on its proximity to the goal cell. In subsequent runs, it references the flood map and makes informed decisions to efficiently navigate the maze. Floodfill ensures intelligent and adaptive traversal, enabling robots to optimize their routes. Coming to the hardware implementation, we started off by designing and assembling a 5x5 grid maze made out of corrugated plastic sheets. We then built our bot using Arduino Nano microcontroller, ultrasonic sensors for wall detection, motors with encoders for motion control and localization, motor drivers, and a LiPo battery. We tested all components and simultaneously developed a code for wall detection, forward movement, turning, and realignment. Finally, after much trial and error, these were our results.